Hello there. So yeah, I'm just going to continue my practicing for drawing feet. Um, and I don't know what's going on with the weather. Like it's raining, it stops, and then it rains again. I know it's a rainy season, but it's like it's like the rain is hesitating to um, go all in or something. Is that better? Like, I'm really bad at this. Yeah, I think. I think it's important that not you see the whole page, but that you see the drawing. I don't know if you guys are doing Inktober. I've seen the prompts. Every year I always do. Um, but I don't know. Maybe I should do it like last year, but like a better version of it. Last year, what I did was I tried to do like a Batman, like how that would relate to Batman. So I was thinking maybe like for the first day. I know I already missed it. Like we're in 3rd of October already. Um, the first day was fish, so I thought we could do like for example Joker fish, something like that. From the animated series. But I don't know. And it's um, so as someone who tries to be a cartoonist, a comic book artist, let me say cartoonist. Um, what what I want to draw or what I will draw is sort of dictated by the script, the story, or the ideas I have. So trying to I don't know. I know it's a challenge, so it's supposed to be difficult, but so don't forget to of course like, share, subscribe, comment if you want me to do like specific um, topics. Want to cover like specific topics on drawing. It looks like there's a spotlight, right? I mean, there is a spotlight, but I feel like I ruined it. It's okay. No erasing. So, of course, when you teach, like you sort of try to make it simple and try to make it like try to break it down into steps and so on so that it will be helpful for people. But actually, when you're actually drawing, um, I don't think it really matters. I just start with the shape that I find appealing, the that most that wanted me to draw the subject in the first place. So, okay, maybe here we can draw. I guess I shouldn't be that precious about because I know that I like editing video and but maybe I should just like draw and record and put it out there like that sort of immediate sort of output. But of course, like digitally, like yeah, it is interesting to like that. The digital allows you to sort of make the one layer more transparent and like break it down so that it's easier for people to see. So there's that. Um, but let me see if it holds. I mean, if the camera holds. If not for anything, if this kind of videos allow you to use it as a companion piece, like a companion video for you to draw and practice and draw along, that's fine. Okay. So yeah, let me tell you why I wanted to edit it. I wanted to put the cover of our art magazine because Jocelyn, the artist that we featured, did a really great painting, and she was nice enough to allow us to use it as a cover. So I think it's a beautiful cover. So, and our next theme will be home. So if you're out there and you want to submit art, as a matter of fact, like yeah, after this, I'm going to post on social media about this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.